So let's start today's drawing. I'm going to draw plus sign, and I will make sure all four of them same first, and then I will add a little bit on the side, just a little bit. So this one looks a little bit bigger over here, so I will just go and try to make it same size both side. Now again I want to draw a cheek over here. For that I will take a point here and I will connect here. And this area I will curve. Next to this curve, I'm going to draw right here. I will take up one point in the middle of this line and I will curve this one. And this is the area I had a straight line, so I will draw another circle here with the eye. Mouth I will draw somewhere here. Now from here, this side I will curve one like a smiley face, and then I will draw a circle here. Middle I will go here and draw another one. Same thing I will try here, but little bit smaller. Two curvy lines and one circle, almost same size or little bit smaller. Now this area I'm going to draw 6 lines, so we can do curvy and like alphabet U but curvy. So I did 2 lines and I created one leg here. Same thing, another one you can do very close to each other or far, totally up to you. Second one and then third one. Same thing I will do this side. So it looks really skinny, so I will erase and I will fix it. Here I will do alphabet V, and then erase this line. So when I'm drawing, I made this one little bit bigger than this one. And we will do mouth here, and then the way you really like the eyes you can draw.